Good day, everyone. So today I'm going to unbox blood pressure checking machine. So I bought in a supermarket, one of the good supermarket in Germany. Today I bought this machine, so I want to unbox it and check it how is working. So let me show you first all the side of the box. Basically, it is imported in Netherlands maybe, but it's a product of China. It's written here. It's a product of China, made in China, but its quality will be good, and it's made for Germany. So there is a German language printed here on the other side, this side. So it's company Weinberger company is made this, and I think, or it is imported by this company. So what is written on the main box? It's a risk indicator, evaluation of the measurement result on a colored scale. Like this is colored on the meter scale, like and so it will indicate whether you have a high blood pressure or medium blood pressure, normal blood pressure, or it's alarming situation. So it will indicate on colored scale. Memory for 2 users and a total of 240 measurement values. So it can be used for a couple, like 2 users, so it's easy to be used by 2 users, and 240 measurement values it can be retained in its memory. It can also detect cardiac arrhythmias. So it will detect your heartbeat as well, detect the wrong position of the cuff when you tighten the cuff on your armband. So it will detect the position, like whether it is on the right position or no, you have to arrange it. It's a gentle blood pressure measurement machine. Okay, so now I think I should now unbox it before it gets too late. It's a sealed to pack, like no one can open this, and if it is opened previously, so you get to know easily that it has been opened already. So they make a temporary seal, like, let's open this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's see what are the things included in this box as well. Basically, I'm opening this and unboxing this with one hand because I'm using my another hand for phone handling. So yes, it has been opened. Oh, a nice cover inside, a nice bag for the machine. Yes, it's good. I think I should maintain such a, like, you can just see I'm about to place my mobile phone in the right position so that we can easily unbox this. So I don't find any place to open it, so now I'm trying with my both hands. Okay, so don't worry, just look. Oh, this is a very good box. It's a nice box to keep safe your machine. It's a very good box. You can see this. So let's open this. It's a long video, but maybe you can wait for unboxing and see how this machine is working. It's long because I'm only a lone person here, and oh nice, I'm also doing first time this unboxing and as well as using this machine. Oh, this is a device included in this packet. Is a good packet, and they give 4 cells which will be used maybe in machine. And this wristband, adult cuff, it is called cuff, which will be used, like it is mentioned, it is a drawing. You can see where you have to place these things in your hand. And what other included, like this is some user guides. So there is no other important thing inside the box, so let's close this. So now we should go towards device. Device is main, huh? So oh, very beautiful. It's very beautiful. You can see this. I am on the other side. You can see myself in it acts like a mirror. So it's a very, it's mentioned system millimeter. It's a unit of, and pulse. It's a pulse. It's a maybe. It's also I don't know what is this. Medically, people know who use frequently blood pressure machine. So it's an indicator, color indicator, which I was talking about. Now green color will be, maybe you will find that it's normal blood pressure when it will count. Then it's yellow one, it's alarming. Then more red towards orange is like it's not good, and further red is like is not suitable for your health, and it will cause huge problems in your life. So before it gets uh, yellow, so you should control your blood pressure as early as possible. It's I think here we will placed that lead. It's a charging code, I think. It's a DC, it's written DC plus negative. Arm cuff will be placed here. Maybe it can also be work with charging, like you don't need cell anymore if you have a cable. But cable is not included in this box, and there is no mention, they have not mentioned what things are included. Let's side this thing and open the cuff. Maybe cable is included in this. Basically I don't know how to use, because I am first time opening these things. So cable is not included. So I just unbox it, select larger cup. If you are like more fatty, so then you can switch it to more larger position. So I will now open that case. Let's open this thing, machine. Okay, 4 cell will be placed inside. So therefore they give, I understand that they give 2 extra cell. It's a made in Germany, I think. Alkaline battery, health and life company, Taiwan, mm, Netherlands and Germany. So made in China. It's a made in China, but it's for Netherlands. This thing is made for Netherlands and Germany, so it will be very good. So I will show you how to place the cuff sensor. You have this lead from this cuff. You will just place it here with pushing, or what I will see and tell you. Yes, with simple pushing it inside with a little strong force, as it will be go inside. Okay, now it's the time to place the cell inside the machine. So I will open all these cells and place in the machine. So I have opened all the things. First I should remove this. Okay, no problem. It's not a problem. I will buy some stand for the mobile. So number one, what does it say? System. This is now I have started and pressed the start button. Just this. Now machine is asking to place the cuff, this one, onto your hand. Maybe left hand. Now I will try on my hand and then we'll check. I am just inserting my hand in this. Okay. So wait for. So I just place in my hand and on the right position. Okay. So now I will open this strip. Okay, I just opened the strip like it was like this, and I did this. Okay. So now I'm just adjusting the angle and will pack it accordingly. Okay, I have placed this in my hand and here is a cable. So now I'm about to start. Yes, it is automatically working. I'm feeling some tightening here. It's good machine. Machine just give these things, this data, but it does not say anything about, like, does not tell anything about that. Maybe it told, but I didn't see, like, this red indication I was not able to see. My heartbeat is 89 and 97, I don't know what, and 77. I think I should press this button. Oh, it's for number 1 and number 2. Oh, okay. And what is this? Okay, it's a data. So it's 1 by 1 data and time is not correct. Let's leave the time now. Second time I want to start and let's see. Position of cuff is okay, huh? So that's why machine is now not creating any problem. Yes, number 4 is asking like for number 1 you want to measure. I'm taking some breath. I think it is doctors say to I will just measure these things. Uh, oh, okay. So this arrow is marking like it's green color. Okay, so it's normal. Okay, so that's the things. Heartbeat is 84 and now doctor can tell me, my brother is a doctor, so he will tell me it's okay or not and what these indications are telling. Okay, thank you very much for watching this and I hope you enjoyed this video. It's too long, but what can I do?